All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. I'm working on the Battlestar Galactica, my 3D print, and it's actually upside down because I'm gluing on the landing bay pods and launch bay, if you follow Battlestar Galactica. And I'm using some plastic wood all-purpose filler to kind of fill in some of the joints because it didn't print as nice as I had liked it to. But again, that'll all get faded in once I do a final paint. However, trying to glue this model together because there's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 prints. I tried everything. I tried to like regular model cement. That didn't work. I think it was too liquidy. I used super glue. And this was actually recommended by a couple modelers. That did not work. Contour putty. Somebody actually mentioned this to put the pieces together. That obviously didn't work. But if you're filling stuff in, again, that's what you need. But this stuff, this side grip 16 fast set clear medium body solvent cement for acrylics, this stuff worked like instantaneous. I had enough time to put the glue down and basically set the pieces, and I think I held them together for about literally I think 5 to 10 seconds, and it bonded. And like I said, I can, you know how many pieces this thing is. I mean, that's the strength of the bond, and you can tell the seam is right there, and it's supporting the weight of all this. So that stuff really works. I saw some weird stuff on Amazon where it was like relabeled and they put a label over on top of, I don't know, but this stuff worked the best. So anyway, if you're looking to glue your models together, this is definitely the stuff you want to get. I didn't do a test like some of these guys do, a brake test and all this other stuff, but trust me, I've been building models for forever. That's the stuff you want for your 3Ds. Anyway, hope that helps. Brian from Garage Mahal. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Thanks for watching and subscribing. And we'll flip this back upright as soon as it's dry.